Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals and concepts not available in any book or over the web. Most trusted channel and resource to build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk and IT compliance. Friends, as part of our ITGC journey, I already have over 125 videos related to various control areas across application, server and database layers with a new video every week on my channel, so please leverage them to understand these concepts thoroughly and build or advance your career. Now, in continuation of our information security ITGC category, under which we have so far covered Windows Server, Linux Unix Server, and Oracle Database under the security hardening control area we started, we will continue security hardening control area and understand today how to test security hardening for a SQL database. So before we dive into the settings here which I've listed on the board, let's first understand what do we mean by security hardening. So security hardening, as the name suggests, it means to harden or strengthen the overall security of a system with the help of security configurations or security settings. Lacking these security settings, if they're not provisioned correctly, bad actors can exploit many of these, which may result in a cyber breach. So it's a very important control area under the information security ITGC category. Mostly these security settings are defined in the security of platform standards in a company, or they are available in industry benchmarks like CIS, ISACA and many others. Friends, you can watch my separate video on understanding the difference between policy, standard, guideline and procedure to understand what these terms exactly mean. For this specific video, we will discuss 10 key security settings related to a SQL database. So I have picked up and selected 10 key settings. There are or maybe a lot more out there, but just for this specific video, I picked up 10 key settings to understand what is this control area and how is it tested from an audit, security, control or compliance perspective. First, look at the key control, which is nothing but security settings are in compliance with standards or industry best practice, and in the absence of a company standard, we will be referring it to the industry best practice. As the reason we have both the pieces here. So if it's defined in the company standard, good. If not, then we have to refer back to what the industry best practice says. Look at the settings one by one. Let's go through them. The first one is CLR enabled. It specifies if user assemblies can be run by SQL Server. The request is the screenshot of the value of the setting, which is CLR underscore enabled, from the specific table, which is sys.configurations. Expected value is 0, which implies it should be disabled, which means user assemblies should not be run by the SQL Server.